While everyone is obsessing over China's massive military buildup, the Pentagon just quietly dropped a $1 trillion plot twist. We are talking about a brand new fleet of military robots so advanced, Beijing is officially sweating. Forget sci-fi movies. The US military is already deployment ready with over 10,000 autonomous ground systems and AI wingmen that go from a paper sketch to a supersonic test flight in a record-breaking 556 days. Today, we are counting down the top 10 terrifying US military robots that are completely breaking the global balance of power. If you love high-stakes tech engineering, hit that subscribe button and join the Vision Base family right now. Number 10. Ghost Robotics Vision 60. Forget your friendly neighborhood golden retriever. The Vision 60 by Ghost Robotics is a 51-kilogram metal quadruped designed for pure tactical intimidation. This mechanical hound can sprint at 3 meters per second, endure extreme temperatures from -40 to a scorching 55 degrees Celsius, and is fully waterproof. During the U.S. Army's recent Operation Hard Kill at Fort Drum, New York, the Pentagon attached a remote weapon system directly onto its back. Powered by integrated AI, it autonomously locked onto targets and fired an AR-15-style rifle with terrifying precision. To make things even more sci-fi, they just added a 6-degree of freedom mechanical arm, allowing it to turn doorknobs and handle tools just like a human combat engineer. It is currently patrolling U.S. borders and high-security nuclear facilities. If you happen to see one staring back at you in the wild, let's just say it is already too late to run. Number 9. Black Hornet 4. Size can be incredibly deceiving. Coming in at number 9 is the Black Hornet 4, a nano drone that literally fits in the palm of your hand, but has the Chinese military completely rewriting their recon playbooks. Weighing just 70 grams, barely more than a couple of AA batteries, this tiny spy stretches only 25 centimeters long. Yet, Teledyne FLIR managed to cram 3 high-resolution electro-optical and thermal imaging cameras into its minuscule frame, allowing soldiers to see in pitch-black darkness. It flies up to 2 kilometers away at speeds of 25 kilometers per hour, transmitting heavily encrypted live video while remaining virtually invisible and completely silent. The Pentagon has poured over $125 million into buying these pocket-sized lookouts, costing roughly $40,000 per unit. It gives every infantry squad an invisible eye in the sky, completely eliminating the element of surprise for any opposing ambush. Number 8. Switchblade 600. If you want to talk about asymmetric warfare nightmares, look no further than AeroVironment's Switchblade 600. This is not your average hobbyist drone. It is a 23-kilogram kamikaze loitering munition that a single soldier can set up and launch from a tube in under 10 minutes. Once airborne, it flies up to 40 kilometers and can loiter quietly over a target area for a grueling 40 minutes, just waiting for the perfect moment to strike. When it spots its prey, it dives out of the sky at a blistering 185 kilometers per hour. It carries a heavy anti-armor warhead based directly on the legendary Javelin missile, capable of punching straight through the thickest main battle tank armor on Earth. Real-world combat data from Ukraine has already proven its devastating efficiency. The CEO of AeroVironment confirmed that the tech for these flying snipers to operate fully autonomously already exists, leaving human targets with zero reaction time. Number 7. EMAV, Expeditionary Modular Autonomous Vehicle. The U.S. Marine Corps decided their logistics units needed a massive, lethal upgrade, and Pratt Miller delivered the EMAV. At first glance, this tracked, hybrid electric platform looks like a high-tech pack mule designed to carry over 2,700 kilograms of heavy ammunition and gear across rugged battlefields. But things got genuinely terrifying when the military decided to bolt a heavy .50 caliber machine gun and multiple kamikaze drone launchers onto its flatbed. During the intense Apollo Shield military exercise at 29 Palms, A convoy of these heavily armed robotic platforms successfully traveled 50 kilometers completely autonomously without a single human driver in sight. Thanks to its silent running electric motor, it can sneak up on enemy lines without making a peep, while simultaneously generating massive exportable power to recharge other electronic battlefield assets. It easily fits inside a V-22 Osprey, making it a highly mobile, heavy-hitting robotic bodyguard. Number 6. TRX Breacher. Some military missions are so inherently suicidal that sending human flesh and bone is just out of the question. That is where General Dynamics Land Systems' TRX Breacher steps onto the battlefield. This is a massive 10-ton tracked combat robot built for one brutal purpose: smashing through fortified enemy defenses. It comes heavily equipped with a giant, armored bulldozer blade, a massive articulated lifting arm, and a spectacular MIC-LIC system, which shoots an explosive line charge to detonate entire minefields in mere seconds. It relies on an advanced hybrid electric propulsion system, meaning this 10-ton steel behemoth can actually move with shocking stealth given its massive size. The core philosophy driving the Pentagon's investment here is simple: let the heavy, replaceable robots take the initial, devastating hits instead of young soldiers. Trust me when I say this metal monster can survive an absolute mountain of explosive punishment before it ever stops rolling forward. Number 5. Ripsaw M5. Imagine a massive 10-ton tank ripping across an open battlefield at speeds exceeding 64 kilometers per hour, firing a heavy autocannon with lethal, computer-guided precision, except there is not a single living soul inside it. Welcome to the Ripsaw M5, developed by Textron Systems. This mechanical beast is armed to the teeth with a Bushmaster Mark 44 30mm autocannon and a coaxial machine gun, while still maintaining enough modular space to haul an additional 3,600 kilograms of tactical gear. What makes the Ripsaw an absolute nightmare for strategic planners in Beijing is its advanced hybrid electric drivetrain. It can shut off its diesel engine entirely and slide into a 100% silent electric mode, creeping up on enemy outposts in total darkness without emitting a single decibel of sound. It can shrug off direct hits from heavy 12.7mm armor-piercing rounds, proving that the front lines of heavy mechanized warfare are officially being handed over to autonomous steel. Number 4. Manta Ray UUV. While China focuses heavily on building surface warships, DARPA and Northrop Grumman went deep underwater to build a Ghost. The Manta Ray is an extra-large unmanned underwater vehicle that mirrors the size of a small whale. This aquatic giant possesses a capability that is utterly unique. It can glide silently across thousands of miles, anchor itself directly to the dark ocean floor, and enter a near-zero power hibernation state for months at a time. It patiently sits there, completely invisible to enemy sonar, waiting for the satellite command to wake up and execute long-range surveillance or strike operations. Because of its brilliant modular engineering, the entire submarine can be disassembled, packed tightly into 5 standard shipping containers, flown anywhere globally, and reassembled on-site in a matter of hours. Successful real-world testing off the coast of California proved it can autonomously track enemy nuclear submarines, essentially giving the U.S. military an army of invisible underwater sentinels. Number 3. Shipboard Autonomous Firefighting Robot, Sapphire. When people think of military robots, they usually think of missiles and drones. But the U.S. Navy's FFIR robot targets the single greatest threat to a multi-billion-dollar warship: catastrophic onboard fires. Developed by the Office of Naval Research, FFIR is a 178-centimeter tall, highly advanced humanoid robot built specifically to operate in the cramped, smoke-filled corridors of a naval vessel. Equipped with a thermal imaging camera, an advanced LiDAR sensor, and a gas sensor, it can see right through thick black smoke to pinpoint the exact origin of a fire. It can autonomously handle heavy fire hoses, blast high-pressure water, and withstand intense, skin-blistering heat that would instantly kill a human sailor. With the U.S. Navy operating across massive global hot zones, having an army of tireless, fireproof humanoid sailors capable of saving an aircraft carrier from internal destruction changes the entire math of naval survivability. Number 2. Anduril YFQ-44A Fury. The United States military has officially turned one of aviation's most difficult engineering dreams into an operational reality: a fully autonomous, AI-driven stealth combat jet. Meet the YFQ-44A Fury, developed by the tech disruptors at Anduril Industries. This unmanned jet-powered beast is engineered to fly directly alongside manned 5th-generation fighters like the F-35 and F-22, acting as a highly loyal, relentless AI wingman. It carries advanced sensor suites, extra weaponry, and can even act as a kinetic shield to take an enemy missile hit instead of the human pilot. Shockingly, Anduril accelerated this project from a blank sheet of paper to its historic first flight in California in just 556 days, a timeline completely unheard of in modern aerospace engineering. The Pentagon refers to this disruptive strategy as affordable mass. Mass production is already firing on all cylinders at Arsenal 1 in Ohio, signaling that the era of the lone human fighter pilot is officially a thing of the past. Number 1. Racer, robotic autonomy in complex environments with resiliency. Taking our number 1 spot is not a single weapon, but the God mode software brain that makes all U.S. military robots truly terrifying: DARPA's Racer program. For years, autonomous military vehicles were painfully slow, needing to pause every few feet to map out obstacles. Racer completely shatters that limitation. Using ultra-advanced neural networks and massive sensor suites, this AI system allows heavy combat vehicles to tear through completely unstructured, off-road terrain at high tactical speeds, up to 50 kilometers per hour, without any human intervention or preloaded maps. It dynamically calculates terrain density, mud, rock obstacles, and slopes on the fly, driving just as aggressively as a highly trained human combat driver, if not faster. The Pentagon is currently injecting this autonomy brain into everything from unmanned tanks to heavy logistical trucks. This is the exact technology that ties the entire robotic ecosystem together, giving America an unstoppable self-driving army that can operate at a speed and scale the world has never seen before. From pocket-sized nano-spies like the Black Hornet to supersonic AI wingmen like the Fury, the Pentagon isn't just preparing for the future of warfare, they've already built it. These 10 mechanical marvels prove that the battlefield is evolving faster than anyone ever anticipated. But what do you think? Will these autonomous machines completely replace human soldiers on the front lines? Or are we opening a dangerous sci-fi Pandora's box? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Vision Base for more high-stakes engineering. See you next time.